Once upon a time, in a quiet village nestled between forested hills, lived a young girl named Lyra. Lyra had a heart as gentle as a morning breeze and eyes that sparkled with dreams of magic. Every night, she would climb the tallest hill and gaze up at the stars, hoping to catch a glimpse of something wondrous. One night, as she sat watching, a single star drifted down from the heavens, glowing softly as it landed in her open palm. It was a teardrop-shaped crystal, warm and humming with a gentle light. Curious and amazed, Lyra held the crystal close and heard a tiny voice whispering, "Dear girl, you have caught my teardrop. I am a star fairy, lost and far from home. Your pure heart led me to you." Lyra promised the fairy she would help. Together, they set off through moonlit forests and crossed enchanted rivers, where they met animals who could speak and plants that whispered secrets. Along the way, the fairy taught Lyra the magic of kindness, how to heal a wilting flower, calm a frightened creature, and even bring joy to lonely hearts. After a long journey, they finally arrived at the peak of the highest mountain, where a single beam of starlight shone down from the sky. "This is my path home," the fairy said, her voice trembling with gratitude. "Thank you, Lyra." As a gift, the fairy pressed the glowing crystal into Lyra's hand. "Whenever you feel lost or sad, look into this teardrop, and I will be there." The fairy rose with the starlight, drifting back into the heavens. And though Lyra missed her friend, the crystal remained a reminder of their magical journey and the beauty of kindness shared. And so, Lyra lived on, filling her village with warmth and wonder, with a star's teardrop forever lighting her way.